Guide Colonel Ninny here.
This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. Each of the 13 campaigns has several missions that you need to complete before you can move to the next one. And to help you get there faster, check out my channel. I've got over 100 tutorials on 7 different playlists, so check them out. You can also get there by looking at the end screens at the end of each video. This is the third mission in the series Wind of Fury, and if you're new to IL-2, there are more basic concepts covered in the Sea Dragons campaign. In the last mission, we looked at how to attack and how not to attack a train. There are 2 groups of Tempests heading to hit the airfield at Krefeld. And by now you should have mastered how to follow the mission plan, and to know where you will be in relation to the cloud layer. And your last waypoint is the town of Venlo on the river, where you turn to 095. And about 3 to 4 minutes later you will be at the target. Because you have an excellent instructor, you will already have planned your exit strategy. Hit the deck for 4 minutes on a heading of 270 till you get to the river, then a right turn to 295, start climbing to the town of Dern. Alright, let's get rolling. I know that you have the skills and experience to follow this mission all the way through to the end, so I am just going to be quiet.
Alert. Leader. Proceeding to base. Over.
Enemy aircraft. Free to engage. Out.
Basket. Search for enemy aircraft. Free to engage. Out. Is close. Out.
Charlie 2, returning to base. Out.
Charlie 4, out of ammo. Baskin 2, out of ammo. Angel 6, out of ammo. Angel 3, out of ammo.
Charlie 4, returning to base. Out.
Angel 4, target destroyed.
Baskin 2, returning to base. Out. Angel 6, returning to base. Out. Angel 3, returning to base. Out.
Charlie 4, requesting landing approach. Over.
Charlie, proceed.
Charlie
Well, there wasn't much to be said, was there? So I think you guys are getting the hang of this, eh? But don't relax, it's not over yet. Oh my god, I hope nobody's watching. That bounce is so embarrassing. So once you've got it down safely, get it off the side of the runway so other people can land as well. Well guys, thanks for watching. I hope you'll join me for the next exciting episode on this series.
As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment.